All right, guys, we are back at SuperDetail with Ian from Autofiber here. Some really cool news. So the shop's been open, technically, it's been open since we did a video a couple months ago, right?
Yeah, probably like 6 or 8 months. Okay. Kind of like soft opening, trying to figure out setting up a retail store and clearing out this big warehouse that we have so that we can turn it into a training event center. But I can tell you, setting up a retail store for detailing supplies is not easy, right?
For sure.
And really, it's definitely helpful for us because we're trying to improve all of our packaging for all of our other distributor retail partners. So
we'll take you guys inside because there's some cool stuff like with the mitt on a stick and other things that really cool packaging on those as well as a few items back here. So we're going to touch on that here in a little bit. But before we do that, you want to touch on what the event we have coming up?
Yeah, for sure. So we're having our grand opening. And that's going to be on April 12th. It's a Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. And we're going to have a bunch of vendors coming. P&S, Buff and Shine, CCI, Car Candy. We're bringing in Coach Chemi. We've had a bunch of customers coming in asking for Coach Chemi. So Coach Chemi's going to be here. And then obviously Autofiber. And so we'll have an event here. We'll have some food, probably get some Phil's Barbecue. Which is down the street. A bunch of ribs and everything.
That's a San Diego staple for those that don't know. So that's our barbecue spot. So
yeah, pretty much. I mean, they're right down the street. And every day I can smell Phil's Barbecue just blowing through the doors. So
my shop's close to an In-N-Out, and I get the wafting of In-N-Out every day. I'm like, man, trying to eat healthy, but it makes it hard. You know?
Right.
So and I'll be here for that event too. So guys, if you're in the area, make sure to come down again Saturday the 12th, 9 to 3. I don't know if I'll be here the entire time, but I'll make sure to be here
Saturday, April 12th, 9 to 3. Come meet Josh V. We've got, from the last video, we've had so many customers coming in, like talking about Josh, asking about Josh.
That's very cool. Again, that's still it's odd to me, but it's very cool. I appreciate all the support with everything. So yeah, definitely.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, so definitely come by, meet Josh, eat some ribs, meet with all the different suppliers that are here. And really the goal with this place is to set up like almost like a detailing community center, event center. And so that's what we're working towards right now.
Very cool. Very cool. And then as far as the training stuff, you have something the day before as well, right?
So the day before, P&S is going to come. Keith Duplessis and Sydney Gwynn are going to come, and they're going to do an inspiration stout training.
Beautiful.
And it's going to be a paint correction and coating
and
installation training and certification for their new product, Inspiration Stout. And then also Tony from Buff and Shine is going to be here also to help with the
correction
part of the event. And that training, it's limited to 8 people, and that training is from 9 to 4, and it's $249, and you get $200 back in store credit to purchase products. And then in order to get involved with that, you just have to go onto our website, superdetail.com, and register for the event.
So the login or the registration is right on that page.
Right. Just go to the event section of the website.
Well, I'll make sure to in the description a direct link for that.
For sure. Superdetail.com.
Okay. Perfect.
Is the website and hub for everything that we're doing here.
Perfect. Good deal. Let's go ahead and talk about some of the new packaging. So again, with the retail store, you're kind of learning the best avenue for the distribution network that you have, right?
Yeah, so let me explain. So SuperDetail is the name of our corporation, and we've been incorporated since 2005. And we've been one of the major microfiber designers and manufacturers in the country. And Autofiber is our premium brand of microfiber products. So SuperDetail owns the Autofiber brand. And one of the main goals here is to really improve our retail packaging and just the way everything works, because we have a bunch of wholesale distributors and other retail stores, and we're trying to improve the product, not just the products, but how they work, but how they display for customers and everything, and also how they work for customers in shops, right?
Absolutely.
So this is something new that we're doing. Is the Mr. Everything's a super popular towel, probably our most popular towel. It's a premium edgeless towel, 390 GSM. But what we're doing now is we're putting them selling them in these 30 packs that are, the towels are folded in the pack inside a nice little bag. And you can open it up almost like the inspiration was like a Kleenex box. I was trying to make something so that you could just pull a towel out and then keep them like nice and clean and covered.
Yep.
Because I mean, these towels really are used for everything.
Yep.
But a lot of customers use them as a one-off for coating leveling.
Yeah, of course.
And then a lot of customers always want a fresh one if they're like removing polish or compound residue. So beyond even just using them for glass or any interiors, the main use for these towels is the coatings and correction.
Yep.
And so I think this is kind of a nifty little way to display and store the towels in your shop or in your retail store.
Yeah, I mean, fantastic for stores, for sure.
Yeah.
But yeah, for my usability of being able to have this on my cart this way, I mean that's fantastic. Again, just to clarify for everyone too, so you've had the Mr. Everything, and then you came out with the Mr. Everything on the roll.
Yep.
And that one's a 300 GSM.
Yeah, it's a little bit lighter weight. Yep. So it's the same towel made on the same machine with the same yarn.
Yep.
It's just you change the setting a little bit to make the towel a little bit lighter weight.
Gotcha.
But
and I absolutely love that thing.
Yeah, these are the original ones.
390.
390. And you know, they seem customers like them a bit better because there's a problem with coatings. You know, the towels create some drag and they can fold over on themselves. And so this towel kind of helps prevent that.
A little more, I don't want to say rigidity to it, but
there is
more structure.
Yeah,
to
structure,
it, right? So,
rigidity for sure. When you feel the towel, they're just a little bit more like stiff feeling compared. And that has to do with the base layer of the towel, the way it's designed. Manufactured.
So what the actual fibers are around.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Yeah, the microfibers are like woven through a thicker base layer that makes the towel more firm.
Got it.
Yeah, and it also makes them a more durable towel. So
yeah, that makes it. Yeah.
But even though it's wild though too, because it's a one-off towel for a lot of customers because they're the coating's drying.
Yeah, it's done for sure.
Yeah, and then another cool thing that we've done is we're improving the packaging of the Saver applicators with a very similar philosophy and setup to where they come in these boxes with this cool little opening, so you can just pull one out from the bottom here.
Yep.
Right, and same philosophy, keeping them clean in your shop, and then also better display for retail.
Yeah, again, fantastic retail display, but for me, like as excited as I am as the usability of the towels, like that is rad. Because before they just came in a little vacuum sealed pack, right? And you would open one up and the other ones would just be sitting there. This is rad. Just have a little peg on your wall. You're doing coatings, pulling out a new one, like that. That's rad. And then you have the thin, the standard. Do you have the standard in this?
We do, yeah. Okay. The thin, the thick, and the mini.
And the mini. So the mini's just doubled up.
Yep.
1 and 2.
Yeah, and the thick one is just a thicker version. Yep. Now I can tell you the thin is by far the most popular.
It is? Okay, gotcha.
And then the mini is second. So customers like these for like tighter spaces or maybe wheels, smaller stuff. And then the thick ones they're just not as popular.
I think like my thought process behind that, and I don't know if this is right or wrong, but like, so the whole purpose of the Saver applicator is to keep that your coating at the surface, so you're not wasting any product. With a thick one, in my head, it would just absorb into that a little bit more.
No, it doesn't. No, because the barrier layer is next to the backside of the microfiber.
Oh, okay. So it's not right in the middle here. It's
not
right
in the
on
middle.
top.
No. Okay, and actually, so the reason that customers like this one better, it's counterintuitive, right? So the thicker one, customers have, it can cause cramping, right? Because you're holding it with your hand like this.
Got it.
So typically customers are holding the thin one like this, and it prevents cramping.
Gotcha.
Right? So that was a revelation.
Yeah, it's funny. You would think the bigger it is, the more comfortable it would be, but yeah, it's not true. No. Yeah, interesting. And all the colors and everything, are you going to offer it in the full color range?
Yeah, all the colors.
Okay.
Yeah. Same thing with the Mr. Everythings. And the plan is if customers like this, I think the plan is to do other towels
in that same sort of deal.
In this type of box, right? So whether it's like Elite towels or Royal Plush or the no streak free glass towels.
Yep.
I think it could be a huge like system for detailers to store their towels, because gosh, storing your towels in a shop like this can be.
And then even for the mobile guys, like how many times, like a lot of guys will just have shelves. And I know this for myself, when I was running out of van, you'd plop them up there, and sometimes, you know, if you have to hit the brakes really hard or accelerate fast, you know, sometimes they can fall, and you're like, you know, that's a bummer. But this just boom, and it should sit in the shelf nice and easy, keep everything safe.
Yep.
So that's fantastic.
Yeah.
Other new packaging items. I know we'll go into the shop and show some of that stuff as well.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Stick.
Yeah.
And then so all this stuff, like for me moving forward, like because obviously I sell it on my website as well. Is this will be a different SKU number than the other stuff, or are you moving to all? Because this is a how 12 pack. Okay.
Yeah, these are going to be the same SKU number.
Okay.
The saver, but this is a new SKU.
Okay, so for these, are you going to this packaging across the board? Are they going to come the other way anymore? Or?
You know, I think we will still do them the other way.
Okay.
Yeah. So the way that we have everything work, there's a single unit SKU.
Yes.
And then there's the pack SKU.
Yep.
So in the future, I think we'll still pack them in bulk. And that'll be the single unit SKU, and then this will be the multi-unit SKU.
Got it.
And we're still trying to figure it out too. You know, a lot of distributors actually sell less than a 12-pack to their customers, right?
Yeah.
So there'll be customers that want just a couple of the saver
especially
applicators.
the DIYers that are doing their own coatings. Like, I don't need 12. Right?
Yeah, exactly. So that's the other advantage to this, is that distributors can sell just a couple of them to their customer, and this is almost like a little point of sale display.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure. Like in your shop, you have them right on the counter right there.
Exactly.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
Yep.
Okay, sweet. Anything else we want to talk about before we head inside?
No.
Okay.
Just the event. That's the main thing. We want to really get the word out about the new store and the event center, and trying to network with local San Diego detailers and all the suppliers around the country, and try to create like a community for everyone to work together.
If you're unaware, we're in basically Point Loma. We're off Rosecrans, the
sports arena,
or Pachanga Arena now, whatever it's called, because different ownership changes the name. But the sports arena is right, like, I mean, we could walk there in 2 minutes from here. So that's the area we're in, right by SeaWorld as well. So anybody that comes in for vacation this summer, like, and you're staying in the Mission Bay area, it's a super easy drive across the bridge really quick to come here. So
we're very centralized, and there's not any other detail suppliers like in the direct vicinity. We got to give a shout out to Jared at Carglow up in Kearney Mesa. And then there's some 3D stores, Gilbert down in the South Bay. And then here we're kind of centralized.
Definitely. Very good. Sweet. Okay, cool. Awesome. So the 12th, everyone, put that on your calendar. That we don't have to register for. That's just show up. The 11th, the training, you have to register for. But otherwise, just show up and come hang out. Let's go ahead and head inside and look at some of the packaging.
Awesome. Thanks.
Cool.
All right, so this is our new retail packaging that we're making for the Mid on a Stick Pro Plus. So it's made with this clamshell that holds the head and the cover, and the pole just hangs down from it, so it's a really nice way to display.
And that, so again, for like people like me selling on the website, this will still ship in a box for them.
Yeah, actually, so for you on the website, we're not shipping it with the clamshell.
Okay.
We're still shipping it in the box.
Standard in a box.
This is going to be. This one will be a separate SKU for the retail customers who want to buy the display.
Okay, perfect.
But I'll come and show you. We've got these new boxes that we're for like our customers buying on the internet. They're going to be coming in these boxes, and we're going to make a bunch of cool different little bundles and kits with the Mid on a Stick and other products. So we'll end up selling the Mid on a Stick with like a dreadnought or packs of glass towels. Or the plan is to also make like a barrel blade with a wheel paw and like some tire savers together as a wheel kit or glass kit.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So we're really, this year, our goal is to really improve the retail packaging, and then also improve the way everything is kitted together and make a lot more robust and better kits.
So many people, I get that all the time where people are like, hey, what's a good kit? So like if you have that built out for them,
yeah,
it makes a lot of sense.
Exactly. And that's really good for the beginners. Or,
absolutely.
Gosh, how many people just come into this ecosystem who just bought a new car, right?
Yeah.
So many customers buy a new car and then they're out there on the internet.
Yep.
Like,
it's the first car they ever care about actually taking care of.
Exactly. And then they find Josh's YouTube channel. Right?
That's how it goes, man. It's so funny. Very cool. You know, that's great. Those are fantastic. Yeah. Cool. Let's see here. Any other? Oh, you got even the traditional. These are rad.
Yeah. People like those. I like those too. Yeah.
The air fresheners deal.
Yeah, a couple of the brands that we're selling. We're selling the CCI brand, ceramic coating ink. Mm-hmm. So they have some really cool, innovative products. The coatings are super easy to apply.
Yeah.
So great products. Also, Oberk, Dave Patterson, who a lot of people really know. Some new products. This is Lotus Coat. This is new spray sealant.
Gotcha. So like a Lotus effect on the paint, just like super hydrophobic. Essentially, it's probably.
Yeah, you know, I didn't think about that.
Gotcha.
On the naming of it, I'll have to ask him.
Yeah.
And then this Slick Shoes is a tire trim dressing, which I really like. This is my favorite one.
Nice.
That I've used. And then this all-purpose soap, great product. Kind of like a APC.
That's what I was gonna say. It's more of a all-purpose cleaner.
Yeah, but it's also like a. It's also
like
it works as a car wash.
Interesting.
Too. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah. I was just talking to him last week, and he was explaining to me all the different ways it's used, and I was like, I didn't.
It's almost overwhelming how many.
Yeah, I didn't realize that it had all these different meanings. But Dave is like he's made some really great polishes. So these are really the top products that they're known for.
Gotcha. Very good.
Yeah, and then we've also we don't have the Coach Chemi stuff yet.
When's that? That's ordered? It's just on its
ordered.
way.
It should be within like the next week or two.
Perfect.
Definitely getting it in before the
12th.
Before the event.
Perfect.
Yeah, and then we also brought in some of these car candy products.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah, I think they come more from like the car wash industry.
Gotcha.
So their products are a little bit more affordable.
Sure.
And so this is kind of like their foray into like the consumer.
Got it. Very nice.
Side of the detail.
Very nice. So you just got everything, right? Soaps.
Yeah, these were like their top products. Yeah, exactly. I think this is their top product. The wheel cleaner.
So it's the high alkaline, probably tire cleaner.
Yeah.
Tire and wheel cleaner.
Yeah, it works good. I've tested it.
Very nice.
This one, and then I've tested the Bubblicious, nice car wash soap. So
sweet, good deal.
Yeah.
And then obviously in the back we've got Rupes, all your polishing stuff. You got the KXK abrasives and all that kind of good stuff as well.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Sweet. Good deal. Well, yeah. So everyone, make sure again. Saturday,
April 12th.
April 12th, thank you. Yeah, months are terrible. Saturday, April 12th, grand opening event here. I'll be here. A bunch of brands will be here, so make sure to come out. And if you guys are interested in that training as well, on the day before, make sure to register for that. I'll have that linked in the description. So,
Perfect.
Awesome. Ian, thanks so much, bro. Always great seeing you.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks.